Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Guardian mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.my.guardianmortgage.online.com/guardianmortgage/hash/login. Once you type this URL in, you will end up in the login page of Guardian Mortgage. So now all you need to do is simply type in your username, and once you type in your username, you have to simply type in your password of your account as well. So once you are done typing in both the credentials, all you got to do is simply tap on the login option. So after you tap on the login option, in matter of seconds you will get successfully logged in into your account. So in this way you log in into your Guardian Mortgage. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.